how to send an underlined text. So if you want to send an underlined text on WhatsApp, what should you do in this case, right? So if you want to be able to underline it or maybe strike through it, now there is strike through, there is bold, but for underlining there isn't an official way to do this. So instead what you have to do is just open your browser and you want to go to this website called yaytext.com. So go to yaytext.com, and now here you can simply type in the message that you want to send on WhatsApp. And once done, you'll see in various formats over here. So you can say italic, sans, or bold, or you just want to look for the underlined text over here. So you should be able to see various text in this case. I'll just go ahead and then look for the underlined text. So you can see underline double macron, underline low line, double underline, or whatever. So whichever else it is that you want, just copy it. And now once you copy it, you can open up WhatsApp and just paste that same text over here. And now you can see that text is underlined. So this way you can send an underlined text on WhatsApp. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.